So fill me in on who we're going to see.
Chris and Brandy. And they're married, they have 2 little girls. They moved to Atlanta for a fresh start. They're moving here because she wants to start her own business as a content marketer. And there's a lot of great connections here in Atlanta. And his job in finance allows him to kind of flex. He can be wherever. So they love homes that combine old with new. What's most important is a family-friendly neighborhood, good schools. And right now, they're in a 60-day escrow selling their house in Virginia. So we need to hustle.
This looks okay.
Let's come in with an open mind here. I feel like you're writing it off.
Welcome to the house and to Atlanta.
Thank you, thank you,
Thank you.
It is 4 bedrooms, not 5, but I have some ideas on how we could accomplish what you want to do. Okay?
Awesome.
Come on in.
Let's go. Okay.
I love the high ceilings.
So here's the lay of the land. You walk in, dining room's on the left, office/living room on the right. Then you go into this 2-story great room, super dramatic. In the back of the house on the left, you've got the kitchen, powder room, laundry room, and garage. But when you go upstairs, all the bedrooms and bathrooms with this amazing catwalk that overlooks. This could be an office. Although this house has only 4 official bedrooms, you could use this space to start your business, Brandy.
There's a lot of space in here, which I love.
Absolutely.
Dining room, come on back. This is your family room, super high ceilings.
I love it.
What do you think?
Love it.
I love the high ceilings. Our girls would go crazy in here with all this space.
What do you think of the fireplace?
I don't really love the fireplace. It just needs to be updated.
You don't have to change the floors out. They're in great shape.
Yes,
Awesome.
they are.
All right, into the kitchen.
Right.
This is where the work is. This is the TLC section.
Absolutely.
Most certainly does need some work.
Oh, it's interesting.
I think it has a nice amount of space, though.
I hate it.
I mean, it just needs to be updated. And if you just could see beyond what's in here, it has potential.
I don't like it. She thinks it has potential.
Babe, chime in here. If we don't move the plumbing.
We could beautify the shower, make a real toilet closet, put in a freestanding tub, replace the vanity, and changing the floors.
I love that.
All that would be around $15,000 to $20,000.
So far, we're talking kitchen and bathroom.
Yeah.
So at $525, Alpharetta, you're going to have to go higher than asking price.
Yes.
This is priced strategically so that they can generate multiple offers. It's probably going to go closer to $560. Gonna have enough to do the kitchen.
We'll have enough to do the kitchen.
But we have enough to do the
You
bathroom.
should have enough to do the bathroom as well.
And keep in mind, this really is a great family-friendly neighborhood. But you would have to put your office in the front room.
We were just hoping that we could get everything considering, you know, we made that jump from Virginia.
We have more to see.
I mean, it's in alignment with what we're looking for.
Nice curb appeal.
What's up?
So we made it. We made it.
Yeah.
What do you think?
I think it's beautiful.
Yeah?
It's awesome. Love the neighborhood. It's a great neighborhood.
And the brick, I know it's very different from the last home I showed
Right.
you.
I actually would like a brick house.
Yeah.
Okay, so this house is move-in ready. You tell us if you think there's any work to be done. He's here to give you a price on that.
Okay.
But it is at the top end of the budget. We're
Yeah.
already at $599.9.
So that we're not fixing anything. It's just perfect. Perfect as is.
You tell
Good
me.
to go. Okay.
Okay, come take a look.
Awesome.
It's perfect. I'm telling you.
perfect.
Nothing
Okay.
to work on.
There we go.
Thank you. Oh, wow.
It's nice.
Nice. Told you.
So here's the lay of the land. You come in, you have your 2-story foyer, office on the right. Over here, you have your formal living room, which leads back to the dining room. In the back of the house, you have a nice-sized kitchen and a great room. Then you go upstairs, all your bedrooms and bathrooms.
Awesome.
I love the fact that there is an office space over here. That's perfect.
So this is ideal.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
It has a closet, so this could actually be a 5th bedroom.
Right.
Okay.
Okay?
Awesome.
Then you have your living room, dining room.
A nice, cozy,
Awesome.
formal living room.
Not a fan of the carpet.
Okay.
Is there any way we could do like hardwood or?
I mean, you could in this area or the entire area, because this is laminate.
Okay.
So if you did real wood, this would all come up with no problem.
The one thing I'll point out is the foyer and the floor back here are different colors. So if you were gonna redo the floor, it just makes sense to do it all.
Yeah.
which is why you're here, sir.
To do the whole first floor in hardwood, we're looking at about $12,000.
I would prefer real wood.
You would?
Yeah.
So you'd
Yeah.
want to replace it no matter what?
For sure.
Okay, so that's a big
Eventually.
expense to consider. Eventually?
Eventually,
Okay.
you can save
Come
for
on
it.
into the kitchen then. Great size?
This is a great size kitchen. I
This
love
is
it.
nice.
It is.
Very nice.
No work needed.
I like the size of the island here. It's a nice size.
You could be in here in 21 days. So are you saying you want to make an offer?
You know what? I'm gonna be honest. Like just being in here, it is really nice that it's moving ready and I want it, but I'm not. It doesn't make my soul jump.
You don't love it.
I don't love it.
But the other house, your soul jumps?
I can see the potential.
I think that first one has that potential and it has more space.
It does, but you've got to close on it.
Okay.
He's got to get permits.
Okay.
Then they would start the work.
As far as the work is concerned, it can be anywhere between 2 to 3 months.
You see what I'm saying? The expectation you should set is that you're not getting in that house, if we get under contract for it, in less than 3 months.
3 months is a long time, but it'll be worth it. And we can make it what we want.
We can. So if it's that house, let's go make an offer. Let's do this.
We literally only have 9 weeks to get this house ready for Chris and Brandy. So I got Mark and Gabe with me. We're gonna get in there and take care of that bathroom and get that ugly kitchen gutted on out.
Ugly it is with a capital U.
So we're gonna do the kitchen today and the bathroom upstairs. Mark's gonna work on that. I'll work on this island to get it up. Let's blow that whole wall into the kitchen.
Sounds like a plan. I really are happy that you give me instructions today. I need them.
Bend with your knees. This kitchen needed an upgrade.
You're not kidding, man.
With only 8 weeks to get the home done, the crew has finished the demo and added the new support beam to open up the kitchen. Removed the back wall to create a panoramic door to the patio, framed out the new kitchen area, and have started building out the new closet. Oh, you've already started.
Yes, sir.
Nice.
So right here, we have this hole in the wall.
Okay.
And our cabinet is gonna run over and land right here.
So basically you need that closed.
Yeah.
All right, so I'll get this closed up.
All right.
Get you guys rocking and rolling.
Good deal, man. Appreciate
I'll be
it.
back.
We're 3 weeks from Chris and Brandy moving into their new home. They've since closed on their Virginia house, moved to Atlanta, and now they're in a 1-bedroom hotel with their 2 little kids.
We're now only 2 weeks away, and my guys are already taking down all the old stone from the fireplace. The new tile in the shower is up in the primary bathroom, and the double sink vanity has just arrived. So while the Closet Pro team is installing the great organizers in the primary bathroom closet, and the crew brings in the new kitchen cabinets, Mark and I are working on framing out the new fireplace and putting up the mantle. Over the next few days, I drywalled out the new fireplace, started installing the molding, installed the stove hood, and Uncle Mark worked his magic and got the new mantelpieces in record time to keep us on schedule. With only 1 week left until Brandy, Chris, and their 2 girls have to be out of their hotel, the butcher block cap I built for the island has set, and my wife is prepping the new French doors for the pantry that we got at the surplus store. Wax on, wax off.
Hi.
What's up, baby?
You wouldn't even know this is a fiberglass door. By the time
No,
I'm finished
you
with
wouldn't.
it, it's gonna look like straight wood. We really did save on this.
Well,
Good
I
idea.
know.
I absolutely love the aesthetic of aged doors. So when I cannot afford those, I know where you're going. Or in this case, could not find the right sized aged doors to complement our kitchen. The way to create that look is I'll beat it up. Mike has literally dragged doors down the street on chains for me to beat up the front. Then we'll polish it, we'll wax it, or we'll sand it, depending upon the patina and the finish we're looking for. So in this case, I'm using a gel stain, which is the only stain you should use on a fiberglass door. We saved several $100s doing it this way. I do think this door is gonna work better than the original one that we planned on. So I am glad
You are?
that we
You
took
glad?
the detour, and I think it's right for the house.
I can already see the vision coming together, babe. there's pieces that's going to be in here that is not in every kitchen.
Every day, and that's
You
what I
know?
was going for.
I love it.
With only a couple of days left, before Brandy, Chris, and their 2 girls have to be out of that hotel, the crews finished the fireplace, added the new countertops. I put the last coat of the gel stain on the pantry doors. We've completed the butcher block for the end of the island, and now we're picking out the wallpaper for the primary bathroom's new water closet. I love that paper. That's gonna pick up everything we need and be just the moment, just a hint in the small space.
Love it.
And now is finally the day for this family of 4 to move into their new Alpharetta home.
They did a good job.
Moment of truth.
Yeah.
I love that texture.
Yes.
Really, you see, I'm thinking if we layer under here, we're pulling all the colors from the pillows under here as well.
Perfect.
Okay. Needs? Okay, wait, let's not scratch the wall. We can't wait to start Chris and Brandy and their girls on their new life here at Alpharetta.
Ready to see your new house, baby? You excited?
Hey!
Look who's in.
Hi!
Let me get 2 of
Look
these.
at you, big cheese
How you doing?
in, ready to be out of the hotel.
Take
We're
a
ready
peek.
to be
See
home.
what's going on
Hi,
over there.
Amira. How y'all feeling?
Ready. Ready? Very ready.
Beyond
Absolutely.
ready.
Okay.
A little nervous.
You
know.
made it.
We made it.
If you remember the first time you saw this house, your reaction was what?
Yeah.
That's okay.
It was all right.
We had to paint the picture of what it could be.
Yes.
What mainly dated the space was what?
The kitchen.
And that fireplace.
Right.
Right.
So we have addressed those.
Awesome.
Tell us how we did.
Go ahead.
Wow. This is amazing. Oh my goodness. And you guys made an office for me.
Do you like the colors on the wall?
You know I love gray. You know I love gray.
This is the real answer to the whole house here.
Look at that fireplace.
That fireplace is amazing. I love it. I love it. It's like you were like in my head or something. I mean, that's exactly what I imagined in here. Can you imagine this house at Christmas? It's like the perfect Christmas fireplace. It's beautiful.
Was it money well spent now that you stand here?
Oh, absolutely.
Absolutely.
It is
It's
absolutely stunning.
gorgeous. I love it.
I'll do it again. Let's do it twice.
Don't tempt me.
Look at the kitchen.
Oh my
excuse me,
goodness.
sir. Excuse me. Pardon me. Look at the kitchen.
This
Wow.
kitchen is amazing.
Oh my goodness.
I love how open it is. Oh my goodness, I love the black. It's so pretty. And look how wide this is,
This is amazing.
right?
So where you're standing right now, Chris, is where that odd island used to be. It was so small.
Wow.
I remember you were saying, but I really thought I wanted a white kitchen. How do you feel? Blue.
I love it. I
No
love the
doubts?
blue. Yes, no doubts at all.
Where's the fridge?
The
The fridge is behind the panels there.
right there.
I love that. I
That is
love how
amazing.
everything is hidden, you know?
Wow. Speaking of where's the fridge and hidden,
Oh, look at this shelf.
what didn't you have in this kitchen before?
We did not have a pantry.
Pantry.
Look at
This
the
door is
detail
amazing.
of this door and the handles. Wow, look how
Wow.
big it is. We know who's gonna be hiding in here.
It just keeps going and going.
It's beautiful.
Look at this butcher block. Oh my goodness.
I
This is
love
amazing.
it. It's so big.
Mike made this, by the way.
Wow.
And what I decided
Got
to
skills.
do, originally it was gonna be a part of the island, but I asked him to put it on casters instead so that you could roll it away.
That's amazing. I
You
love
could
it.
move it, you can, whatever you need
That
to do with
is
it.
great.
Right.
There.
You know, you
That
decide to
is
have some
genius.
guests over, do a little dinner showcase.
Exactly.
Yeah.
You know?
That's genius. Yes.
And this was a big S. This is your panoramic door
This
to
is beautiful.
appreciate
I love
the
this.
backyard.
I love
This is my favorite part, honestly, of the kitchen because, I mean, look at all that natural light that comes in. It's gonna look so beautiful in the morning.
And then we've got our eat-in here.
Look at that light. That is gorgeous.
It
Look at the
adds the,
table, though.
ambiance. This was just about making the space you already have make sense.
Right.
You guys did amazing.
Yeah.
Absolutely killed it.
How did we do, Naomi?
Did they do a good job?
I don't think we impressed her. You want to see the upstairs? We still have one more space to see. Remember the owner's suite bathroom?
Upstairs, yes, that bathroom was tore
Come
up.
on, come on, let's check it out.
You just robbed me.
You just robbed me.
Pocketed him.
You just robbed me.
Pocketed him. While the kids play in the bedroom, guys, come on in. Let's check out your new primary bathroom.
Wow.
Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. Look at the glass shower. And it's so spacious.
Well, we were able to create more space for the shower just by turning the toilet around.
Right.
Oh, I love it. Where is the toilet? Is it in here?
Well,
water closet's here.
Matter of fact, there's a little bit of a moment in here.
Wow.
Oh,
I wasn't even ready for that.
I
That's
love it. I
beautiful.
wasn't. This is great because what I don't like is when I'm taking a shower and then someone has to come and use the bathroom.
That's what the bathroom's there.
Well, yeah, but like at least it can be separate though now. Like,
There you go.
You know?
But also, this is the proper height. We had the little vanity before.
We had the baby
Oh
vanities,
yeah,
right.
you're right. It was
And it
much
had like
lower.
some uneven thing going on before.
I love it. And look at the you did the gold for me. I love it.
That is amazing.
Wait, look at the bathtub though.
We had a corner garden tub before.
It feels like a hotel spa in there.
Absolutely.
And wait, hold on about the floor. But no, wait, let me relish in the floor for a little bit, okay? It's beautiful.
No, it's gorgeous.
Okay.
But did you
thank
see the closet? Look at the closet.
Oh my goodness. This is amazing. I love
I would get
it.
this
You
side
could do
right here.
so many different things with it. You can make a his side, but then the shoes are over here.
So we don't even need a
This is
dressing room.
great. I love this. Oh, and a nice long mirror. Oh, when you open it, it's like a jewelry closet.
You like the closet more than the bathroom?
No, this is where we're going to be, where when I need mommy time, quiet time, prayer
hide in the
time,
closet.
this is where I'm going to be, right here. I'm going to put me a nice little chair in here. You got to show me a chair, a good chair for in
Put it
here.
right there.
Yeah.
We are super excited about our new home and the renovations. Mike in Egypt did a phenomenal job.
We never imagined having a house like this.
Never.
They have exceeded our expectations greatly. I believe Egypt and Mike brought the best in the home out. They've made this house a home.
Okay, numbers. So we bought the house at,
$550.
$550.
and our renovation budget was $100K if I were to list the house today. Because this is Alpharetta. Houses are going, multiple offers every time you put something on the market. I think you probably wind up selling around somewhere around $775.
Wow.
That's pretty good, though.
We did good.
Yeah, we did.
Real
We did good. We did good. Yeah.
What do you say, babe?
I say slam dunk on that one, baby. You saw those reactions?
I did.
I think what you saw was them thinking, is this real? Can we finally get out of this hotel?
I feel like that we will be here for a long time.
This would be the place that we really are able to set a foundation for our family, grow, and
that
create
part.
lots and lots of memories.
Nay, you gonna play tic-tac-toe?
No, I don't want.
At the end of the day, to have just woken up and decided we're moving our entire lives without knowing anyone to Atlanta.
Yeah.
And then being able to make this house everything they said they wanted, I feel like job well done. Ha, welcome to Atlanta, Chris and Brandy.
We did it. We did it.